Hello Skinnies, Nick here. Happy Wednesday. We had the most epic day filming today in the kitchen with Grant and Ben and Mez. It went very well. We managed to get 3 recipes done that Grant sort of specialised in so that he could explain the best way to go about things. Now the beauty of all of this, of course, is that there's leftovers for me to enjoy for dinner. So let me introduce to you one of the tastiest plates of food you'll ever eat in your life. And this plate actually was inspired by a meal that I had at a pretty cool restaurant here in Adelaide years ago with Cyan called Peel Street. What we've got is pita bread, of course. We've got the pomegranate molasses pulled lamb. Now, I think it's like slow roasted pomegranate molasses lamb, but I'm just going to call it the pulled lamb. Then we have the Muhammara. Now that's like a spiced like rice and lentil with caramelized onion dish. It's incredible. And then we have the Muhammara, which is a roasted capsicum dip. Then to top it all off, on the bottom, hiding under there, is labneh, which, hang on, I'll get a spoon to show you so you can see how it's all hiding. Hang on, let me push this all back. You can see the labneh under. So the labneh actually is covering the whole wrap. Then I have parsley and mint as well on top. Now, this is my idea of eating, you guys. Like, I don't know if it's the European in me or what, but this is my ideal, plate of food. Lots of different intense flavors competing that you can combine, and every sort of mouthful feels either different or tastes different. To me, this is living. So very healthy, nutritious dinner. Can't wait to just absolutely get stuck into it. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show off. Now, if you don't want to have the wrap, of course you can have this on a bed of lettuce. It would be incredible as a salad. The lamb is phenomenal. It's one of the best lambs you'll ever eat in your life. And the rice, the dip, the combination of the things, chef's kiss. These recipes are featured in Skinny Mediterranean, of course, which is coming out next Friday. So yeah, Skinny Med. I can't spell Skinny Mediterranean. So I'm just going to start calling it Skinny Med, and hopefully the shortened version catches on eventually, because I have to keep spell checking myself when I try to say Mediterranean. What else did we do today? We did the steak au poivroir, which we went live with. Me and Mez and Grant went live with the steak au poivroir. For those of you who don't know what that is, it's a peppercorn steak with a peppercorn sauce. We served it with fries, like steak frites, and also the seasonal vegetables, seasonal greens, which is another recipe in Skinny Mediterranean. Phenomenal lunch. I ate probably about 2 people's worth of steak for lunch today. Phenomenal food. And then what else did we do? We did the bazella, which is a Lebanese stew, Lebanese pea and beef stew, which is incredible. It uses the Thermomix slow cooker function. But of course, if you don't have a TM6 or a TM7, you can put it in the normal slow cooker as well, and the results are outstanding. So yeah, lots on the go today. But we managed to see, you can tell my brain's a bit fried because I'm struggling to find my words. But that's all right. That's all good. I'm really looking forward to dinner. Now, Skinny Mediterranean, like I said, is coming out October 10. For those of you who don't know about it, go check out the pinned post. You'll see the contents. We've released the full contents list with all of the dietary requirements. So whether you're wondering what's gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, nut-free, low FODMAP, paleo, low carb, very low calorie, which is super skinny, vegetarian, halved or doubled. The breakdown of the QR codes on the table that's on the pin post explains it all for you. As well as the details that you might be wondering on price, when shipping's happening, all of that kind of stuff. But if I can answer any questions in the comments, please put them in the comments and I will try my best to answer them as well. Having said all that, I now have to sign off and feed my beautiful children dinner. So I love you, skinnies. I'll check in with you all tomorrow. I think tomorrow we're doing the fattoush salad, which I love. I'm so excited about the fattoush. So yeah, stay tuned on seeing how we manage to make fattoush healthy. But otherwise, love you guys. Have a good night.